I'm Eddie Oberoi, super excited about this listing I have in Ardenwood. You know what they say about real estate? Location, location, location. And location doesn't get better than this property. I can't wait to share this property with you. Let's take a tour.
Welcome home to 5293 Shamrock Common in Fremont, California. Live in one of the most desirable floor plans in this fantastic Ardenwood neighborhood. With over 2,100 square feet of spacious and bright living space, you will have 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths, including a bedroom and bathroom on the lower level. Updated bathrooms, new carpet, stainless steel appliances, and gorgeous high ceilings give an elegant feel to this charming home. You will be walking distance to Coyote National Park, where you can enjoy views of the ocean from many of its trails. Facebook campus is nearby, as well as an easy commute to 84, 880, and BART. Live, work, and play in this bicycle-friendly, welcoming community. Top-rated schools include award-winning Forest Park Elementary, Thornton Junior High, and American High School. Don't miss this opportunity. Schedule your appointment today.
Well, thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a gorgeous property and a great opportunity. If you have any questions, reach out to me anytime, and I look forward to seeing you one of these days. Take care. Bye-bye.